there, I am KX90. This is the introduction to Hoverbit by MakeKit, part 1. First of all, I would like to say that I think the package looks nice and have a great design. When you take a closer look to the back of the package, you will see some instructions and you can actually choose your remote controller. Let's see what's inside the package. There's a lot of bags and you can use a scissor to cut out the sail that you need to run the Hoverbit. And here we have the bags full of the items, servos and motors that you need to build the Hoverbit. All of the wooden items that you see right now is made by a laser cutter machine. Every single one of the items are put away in bags so that they do not come in contact with anything that might harm them or cause scratch marks. Do not use brute force when handling or applying the items. Airbit is the motherboard of the hovercraft. On the bottom of the cardboard you can cut out the base of the Hoverbit. Be very careful with the cardboard beneath the items because this is the only base and platform for the Hoverbit that you have. Stay tuned for part 2.